Within the budgeting process, citizens and administrators have many expectations.
In many cases, these expectations are as diverse as the citizens in a city.
In many studies, citizens want to be engaged in the budget-making process. However, the same studies have concluded that citizens are barely involved in the process.
Administrators are pressed for time. The budgeting process is complex and time-consuming.
Citizens also communicated many reasons for not engaging, including busy schedules and lack of understanding of the subject matter.
The result of lack of communication between citizens and administrators is a lack of trust.
Engaging citizens is good for administration. Administrators work for citizens.
Administrators must try to engage citizens using different mechanisms.
Successful engagement happens during citizens' normal activity.
Successful citizen engagement must include an array of citizens, young and old.
A diverse team will, among other things, provide diverse ideas and solutions.
Additionally, successful engagements include key liaisons between administrators and citizens.
These liaisons act as bridges between administrators and citizens.
An enabling environment where liaisons are able to engage both citizens and administrators should be created.
These liaisons should use diverse tools to engage different types of citizens.
In the end, engaging citizens means an effective budgeting process for the entire network community.